Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be breaking down LI Auto. I know I haven't broken this down in a while and it's been requested, so thank you for all my subscribers and viewers who have requested this one. I am going to make a video now for you. Now before we get into the video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in description below. We chart out during market open, we talk, we chart, we chat about the stock market. So if you want to be a part of this group, go ahead and join. It's free in the description below. Like I said, we're very active during market open. We have 160 members now and we're currently growing, so we'd be glad to have you part of the community. Now let's get right into this video and let's talk about LI Auto. So last time I charted out LI Auto, it's actually been a while, but the key level I was watching was at 31.41. This was a strong support level. We've held it multiple times before, but recently we fell in underneath it, and then I had this mini support here at around 30.20. So I talked about that if we have any hope on LI Auto, that needed to hold this level. So right now we got underneath it. Now on Monday I'm looking for us to get back above this. Guys, if we fail to get back above this, then the most likely level we're heading back to for LI is back down to 26.40. So that's going to be a huge dip buy opportunity. Now notice over here it was a strong support. So I'm hoping and thinking that this level will hold if we even get down to this level. I know that's a big move. It's $3 down. So I'm hoping that LI doesn't go that far down for your guys' sake that are inside LI right now. But level I'm looking at going to Monday session is it needing to get above 30.10. If we can get above that, guys, then we'll be bullish for the moment just because this support level held multiple times before. But right now, this is not what you want to see, guys. We're testing it from the underside. Now it's acting as a resistance instead of a support. So that's a bearish trend, and we need to really get above this level to continue this bullish momentum. Now, let's say what happens when we get above it. So what happens when we get above it on Monday? Well, I'll be either looking for a retest so we come back to confirm it from the top side. So maybe we'll get a little bit of a pullback. Or we can do another situation where we just blast right through it and then go for the second one up here at 31.41. Now notice this is bright yellow because it's a much stronger resistance which acted as support while over here. So now it's going to act as a resistance level. So going to a session on Monday, if we blast through this resistance at 30.10, then we need to get to 31.41 and get above it and hold above it. Now, the important part to this is that we get above it and we're able to hold above it. We don't need to get above it to get rejected and come falling back down to this level. That's not bullish at all. We need to make sure that the buyers are there and that we're holding this level. If we fail to hold it, then we're just going to come back down to this support and maybe even head back down to 26.40. So guys, if you're bullish on LI, these are levels I'm watching. We for sure need to hold this level. Now, once we get above 31.41, if we do this week, I have a little mini resistance here at this level right here. So we're going to have a little bit of time struggling getting above this level right here at 33.68, 33.70. So anywhere between this range right here, we're going to have a hard time getting above it because it acted as a resistance before. So that's the next level I'll be watching between these two main resistance and support lines. Now, once we're able to get above this line right here, either we get above it and then retest it, or we go right towards this resistance. So the next strong resistance I have is really not until $37 even. The reason being is because look over here. We got rejected several times by this level, and then we had the breakout. So we know that this is a strong level that if we do get above it, then we're bullish. But if we get rejected, then we know we're bearish because we got rejected several times over here and came crashing down. So if you're watching LI, these are the three levels that you need to look out for this week if the scenario is that we get above 31.41. Now, the first thing we have to do before we even get above 31.41, guys, is we need to get above 30.10. If we don't get above this, none of this plan matters, guys. We'll just come crashing back down to 26.40. Now, let's say the scenario that we do come crashing back down to 26.40. I think that's an amazing dip buy opportunity. And now, if you're an investor in LI Auto right now, I would not worry. Guys, just hold your shares. This is for people that are trading it or for people looking for entries. So if you're investing in LI Auto right now, I would not panic, guys. I would just hold your shares and just sit tight for the ride. I know there's quite a few people that are invested in LI and you're holding it for, 6 months or so. So don't worry about these dips and downtrends right now. It's going to be completely fine in the long run. So let's say we get down to 26.40 and you're an investor. I would consider adding on to your shares if you can, if you're in the position where you can do that. Now, I would honestly look for a rebound. So I do expect a bunch of buyers to come in here and then we start retesting and going back up. But if we do get down to that 26.40 and you're trading LI and you're looking for an entry, and you want to get in there, then I'd have my stop loss pretty tight here at 25.49. So I'd get in right here, go in pretty heavy, and then have my stop loss right underneath the support at 25.49. Now, if we get below this level, guys, I don't even want to talk about it really, but the truth is we may be heading back down to 2066. So we do have a long ride ahead of us if we do get below 2640. But I think LI is going to recover, especially they have a lot of things going for them in 2021, just like NIO and XPeng, guys. So I would not worry in the long term dealing with LI. Just relax, guys, especially in your investor. Don't worry, LI Auto will recover. But I just like to produce these videos just so you can look at key levels, price levels that I'm looking at, where I'm looking to get in, or where I'm looking to add more. So if you're an investor, I would consider adding more if we get down to 2640, guys. So if you're able to add on to this level, add on to it. It is a good dip buying opportunity. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy this video. Thank you for all of the support all y'all have been giving me recently. It is truly appreciated. I notice every one of you. Thank you for your comments and likes. And then once again, do not forget to join my free Discord. We would be more than glad to have you in here, guys. Like I said, we chat during market open. We would be more than happy to have you in here. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video.